Ikogamono. Namgo apuratia. Nam of Yeli Bobby. God, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Bafodia. No name expect can be a wood. Nabaga New Year. Nabaga for honor. Come on, wait there. Make I show you something. One line. This is the long waiting Red wine.
Red wine.
There. McJ red wine, long waiting McJ red wine, all the way from United States of Italy. Adiamuma, my brother. Ayana Maaka. Any place where you dey for this Nigeria, for this Africa, and you won't go occasion, you won't present gift to somebody. Say now something where you go fit package, carry and go. You go carry this thing like this. They like Bible, Book of Moses. You carry and present to the person. See, inside this McJ red wine, you go notice, say, McJ red wine get 3 bottles in 1 carton. 3 bottles in 1 carton. It is NAFDAC approved by Nigeria. You know, produced in Italy and imported in Nigeria, NAFDAC approved. This McJ red wine is made in Italy. This is 3 bottles in 1 carton. This is how they come. This is how it is. Now, are you in Nigeria? You want to start a business. You want to start wine business. You can see the number on your screen. Contact McJ Red Wine. They will answer you immediately. And when they answer you, I tell you that they will deliver at your doorstep. Their Facebook handle is on this page. You will see it popping up. Their YouTube handle and every other channel that you want to get them through. But don't forget, when you call this number, I want you to be sure that there is goods in their warehouse before you can make your order. Remember, call. If you call and you want to be sure who you are partnering with, call them on video. They will answer you. McJ Red Wine will give you what you want immediately at your doorsteps. Don't forget, I am still your one and only digital MC Bishop, all the way from United States of Imo. Ade amoma one negenti. Oga gariala mbega wepota. Get to traporachi anwa. Get to troka maya nekwesi wishi na gana chaga okunobi. Awa maya ga wapota ebogi kidney. Maya ga wapota engotisha wawage galapa igetete. One negenti. McJ Red Wine is refined. Refined wine. Let me prove something to you now. Let me just show you sample. This is McJ Red Wine. Let me show you. My do good mogla na nwa. My de mogla na nwa. Amam ka aka ge ha. Mana one negenti. Test and see. Seeing is believing. Abiakola ge pota no ge were no apagare kwara mmadu akwa. Igatala. Ya wu maya na akpọ maya vine. Maya vine. All the way from the United States of Italy. Alright, bros. Achọm kuno kpọ akere ekwentị anọ na screen phone na n'ihu akwụkwọ a. Una lay this handle, this Facebook handle, una contact here. This is their channel. You go to them, then call them on video. If you need 100 carton, 300 carton, 500 carton, as number of it as you want, contact them. Or you want to start a small business with McJ Red Wine as a company, you can contact them. They will answer you. Just try and you will see. This year will be your year. Happy New Year, guys. Much love.
McJ Red Wine, McJ Red Wine, no different. On the mama, McJ Red Wine, Amaka. Amalomania, McJ Red Wine, did you reach? Imoya nigga, Charlie Laws, okay, malo. I go by McJ, I go by Maje red wine on your fa. Nenu manya, anyingo bambanya, kabukani. Nenu maje o, anyingo bambaje.